Money, the fuel of our dreams and ambitions, is a tool we all need to master. But how do we navigate its complexities and come out on top? The secrets to financial success aren't as elusive as you might think. In fact, they've remained largely unchanged over the centuries. If you're ready to transform your financial future, buckle up as we dive into the first golden rule. But be warned, what you're about to discover might just change your life. Imagine every dollar you earn as a potential seed for your future wealth garden. The first rule is simple yet profound. Save money, but not just any savings. We're talking about paying yourself first. Most people feed their earnings to companies like Apple or Starbucks without a second thought. But what if you could redirect that flow back to yourself? The traditional wisdom suggests stashing away at least 10% of your income. It might not sound like much, but over time, this small act can lead to a mountain of wealth. But how do you resist the temptation to splurge? And what happens when you do? As your paycheck grows, so does the temptation to upgrade your lifestyle. This phenomenon, known as lifestyle creep, can be a silent wealth killer. Imagine you get a raise and suddenly you're dining at fancier restaurants, upgrading your car, or moving to a bigger house. But here's the twist. Every dollar you spend on these luxuries is a dollar not growing in your wealth garden. True financial wizards know the power of living below their means. By keeping your expenses comfortably below your income, you create a buffer that fuels your savings. But what's the point of saving if you're not putting that money to work? Saving is great, but if your money is just sitting in the bank, it's not working as hard as it could be. Enter the world of investing. From stocks and bonds to real estate and precious metals, the avenues are endless. The key is to make your money earn more money, even when you sleep. But it's not just about choosing the right investments. It's about understanding the power of compound interest. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering speed and more snow and momentum with each turn. That's your money when it's invested wisely. But with great power comes great responsibility. How do you navigate the potential pitfalls and ensure your investments don't backfire? Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of all time, famously said, "Never lose money." Easier said than done, right? The world of investing is filled with opportunities, but not all are created equal. The trick is to balance potential rewards with risks. For instance, imagine investing in a startup that's developing a revolutionary technology. The potential gains are enormous, but so are the risks. How do you ensure you're not putting all your eggs in one volatile basket? Diversification and thorough research are your best allies. But even the most cautious investors can stumble when it comes to the biggest investment most people make in their lifetime. What is it? For many, owning a home is the ultimate dream. But is your home really an asset? The answer is not as straightforward as you might think. While a home can appreciate in value and provide stability, it also comes with costs that can turn it into a liability. Think about maintenance, taxes, and interest on a mortgage. These expenses can eat into any potential profits from selling your home. But here's a twist. If you're strategic about it, your home can play a pivotal role in your wealth-building journey. How? That's a story for another video. For now, let's turn our attention to a time when you'll want to enjoy the fruits of your labor: retirement. Retirement might seem like a distant dream, but it's closer than you think. The decisions you make today will shape your golden years. It's not just about saving, it's about investing wisely and understanding the power of compound interest over time. But here's a catch. If you start dipping into your retirement fund for today's pleasures, you might find yourself short when you need it the most. How do you balance living for today with preparing for tomorrow? Lastly, the most valuable asset you have isn't money. It's your ability to earn it. In a rapidly changing world, those who continuously learn to adapt are the ones who thrive. Whether it's enhancing your skills, understanding the latest market trends, or simply cultivating a mindset of growth, the pursuit of knowledge is the ultimate investment. But how do you determine which skills are worth your time and which are just distractions? Subscribe to our channel to find out, and let us know what you think of this video in the comments below.